Lesson Checkup Chapter 1. God created the world with both living and non-living things. The plants, the animals, your friend, and you are all living things called organisms. Yes, organism. Organism is another name for living things. I'm a living thing, so all the non-living things around me are called my environment. So what is an environment? Environment is non-living things surrounding a living thing. The type of environment determines the kinds of things that can live there. Like most cactuses grow in dry desert, or the docks stare on the pond, but all the living things and non-living things in one area are known as an ecosystem. An ecosystem can be large or small. A forest is a large ecosystem. It has many kinds of living and non-living things in it. Squirrels, foxes, and birds are some of its living things. Trees, bushes, and ferns are also living things. The temperature, sunlight, and soil therefore some of the non-living things in the forest. These non-living things determine the kinds of plants and animals that can live there. So what is an ecosystem? Ecosystem is all the living things and the non-living things together in an area. Every organism requires certain things so that it can survive. These things are called needs. There are several things you need so you can live and grow. You need food to eat and water to drink. We also need clothing to protect our body, as well as shelter to protect us from the weather or danger. God created all living things with the needs for food, water, and protection. And living things can only survive in an ecosystem where their needs are met. Food is a very important need, as well as water, shelter, and protection. So what do we call anything that can meet the need of a living thing? Yes, a resource is anything that can meet the need of a living thing. When living things try to use the same resource, it is called competition. Animals may compete or fight for resources such as food, shelter, or water. For example, black bears or any kind of bears may eat small animals, nuts, roots, and berries, while foxes may eat insect, eggs, and berries too. So if bears and foxes live in the same area and eat the same kind of berries, then we say that they are possibly competing for the berries. How can we say all living things need food? Plants need light to make their own food. They collect light with their leaves. However, plants have different ways for their leaves to get the light they need.
The predators must also evolve to keep up if they are to successfully catch their prey. And some, like this praying mantis, use camouflage so their prey doesn't see them until it's too late.
Animals that are food for other animals are called prey, while the one that chase, catch, and hunt their prey, it is called predator. God has given animals different characteristics to help them get food. Wading birds, such as herons and cranes, use their long, pointed beaks to reach into the water to catch fish. Their beaks are like scissors or tongs. A great blue heron eats mostly fish, but its prey also includes frogs, snakes, turtles, and insects. Birds use their beaks to get food. Other animals use their claws. Grizzly bears have sharp claws on their paws. God designed this characteristic so the bear can catch its prey. The claws can grip slippery fish or split open a rotting log to find tasty insect. So yeah, different animals use different body parts to find foods. Animals need shelter as well as food. Their shelters help protect them from the weather and from animals that may want to eat them. Animals have many kinds of shelters, like this: prairie dogs. Moles and prairie dogs dig burrows into the ground.
They needed to warn each other. Because in the Sonoran, a lot of things like to eat them, including the badger. They dig a complex system of burrows, but most mornings they have to leave to harvest grass.
Well, how about nest? Yes. Birds, mice, and squirrels, they build nests. Also, don't forget the hollow tree that may be a home to a raccoon or a colony of bees, and a cave that may be a shelter of a bat or a lion. So that's all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Boom. Bye.